Hello everyone, welcome back for our summary video of chapter number 11 Mensurations. Let us start the video with the mind map. In this chapter, first we recall the previous knowledge, means the formula of perimeter and area of square, rectangle, triangle, circle and parallelogram. Then we have learned the area of trapezium, next area of rhombus, next area of general quadrilateral. All the formulas we have derived, and last the solid shape. In this topic we have learned the surface area, lateral area and volume formula for cuboid, cube and cylinder. First, once again we will recall the previous knowledge. So, the perimeter means the boundary of a closed figure. So, the figure name is square. So, the perimeter of square 4 into side and unit. Here the unit will be only one dimension because we are adding and subtracting, that is why. Rectangle 2 into L plus B unit, where L is the length and B is the breadth of rectangle. Triangle S1 plus S2 plus S3 unit, where S1, S2, S3 are the sides of triangle. Circle 2 pi r unit, where r is the radius of circle. Parallelogram 2 into S plus B unit, where S is the side and B is the base of the parallelogram. Next, formula of area. Area means the amount of space taken by a 2D figure. Here we are multiplying two dimensions, that is why the unit will be unit square or square unit. So, the area of square is side into side, that is side square, square unit. Next, rectangle area is L into B, where L is the length and B is the breadth of the rectangle, and the unit should be square unit. Next, the triangle area is half into B into H, where B is the base and H is the height of the rectangle and unit square. The area of circle, it will be pi r square, square unit, where r is the radius of the circle. Last, the area of the parallelogram, that is B into H square unit, where B is the base and H is the height of the parallelogram. So, our next topic is area of trapezium. Here is the figure of trapezium A, B, C, D. To find out the area, first we will draw the perpendicular here. So, from D vertex we will draw the perpendicular over the AB, which is our H, and here also from the vertex C we will draw the perpendicular again over AB, which is also H. Now, come to the derivations part. When we are drawing the perpendicular, these two perpendicular dividing the whole trapezium in three segments. First ADE triangle, then CDEF rectangle, and last one BCF triangle again. That means if we find out the area of these three segments and sum all the areas, then we will get the area of trapezium. Come to the derivations now. Area of ABCD trapezium is equal to area of triangle ADE plus area of rectangle CDEF plus area of triangle BCF. Now, from our previous knowledge we know that the area of the triangle is equal to half of base into height. Here you can see the base is AE and the height is DE. So, the formula half into AE into DE, and as we know from our previous knowledge, again the area of the rectangle is equal to length into breadth. That means plus EF, that is length, into breadth, that is DE, plus the area of the last triangle, that is half into BF into CF, using the previous formula once again, half into base into height. So, now take the value of all these sides measurement. Half into AH, where A is the base and H is the height of this triangle, and plus XH, where X is the length and H is the breadth of this rectangle, plus half into BH, where B is the base of the last triangle and H is the height of the triangle, as we know. Taking common H by 2, it will gives you A plus 2x plus B, and after doing the calculations we can see here our final formula of area of trapezium is H by 2 into B1 plus B2, where B1 is the value of sum of A plus X plus B and B2 is the value of X. So, the area of the trapezium ABCD is equal to height by 2 into sum of the parallel side. What is that? The area of the trapezium is equal to height by 2 into sum of the parallel side unit square. Area of rhombus. To find out the area, this is our figure ABCD, which is a rhombus, and to find out the area of the rhombus, first we will draw the diagonals AC and BD, which bisect each other at the point O and formed 4 triangle. If we add 4 triangle area, then we will get the whole rhombus area. So, area of rhombus ABCD is equal to area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC plus area of triangle COD plus area of triangle AOD. Now, you can see here, this is the bisector of the diagonals. So, the area of 4 triangles will be same. So, we can convert this formula to the formula 4 into area of triangle AOB, and as we know the formula of the area of triangle is equal to half into height into base. So, from there we can write 4 into half into AO into OB, where AO and OB is the height and base of the triangle AOB respectively. Let AC is equal to D1 and BD is equal to D2. Then we can write AO is equal to D1 by 2 and OB is equal to D2 by 2. After putting the value, we will get 4 into half into D1 by 2 into D2 by 2. After cancelling the 4 with the 2's, we will get the final formula D1 into D2 by 2 square unit. Thus, the area of the rhombus ABCD is equal to product of the diagonals divided by 2 square unit. Our next topic is the area of general quadrilateral. You can see here, this is the figure of general quadrilateral ABCD. It is not matching with any parallelogram, it is not matching with any trapezium, right. So, to find out the area of this figure, first we will draw the diagonal AC, then we have to draw 2 perpendicular from the vertices C, B and D respectively over the diagonal AC. Name it BE is equal to H1 and DF is equal to H2. So, the area of general quadrilateral ABCD is equal to the area of triangle ABC, this one, plus area of triangle ACD. As we know, the area of triangle formula is half into base into height. So, applying this formula we will get half into AC into H1, where AC is the base of this triangle and H1 is the height of the triangle. Next, plus half into AC into H2, where again AC is the base of the triangle ACD and H2 is the height. So, taking common half AC, where AC we are naming as D. So, taking common half D, we are getting the formula H1 plus H2 unit square, means the area of general quadrilateral is equal to the length of the diagonal divided by 2 into the sum of two perpendicular from two vertices square unit. Let us move to the next part of this chapter, that is solid shape. So, solid shape means that is the 3D figure or 3D shape. So, in 3D in this chapter we have learned only for cuboid, cube and cylinder. Cuboid means the measurement of the length, breadth and the height will not be equal. So, suppose the length is L, breadth is B and height is H, then the surface area of a cuboid is equal to, as we know there are 6 surfaces are there for a cuboid. So, adding all the surface area we are getting the formula 2 into LH plus BH plus BL unit square. Come to the next formula, that is lateral area. Lateral area means without the top and bottom surface of a cuboid. So, just calculate the side surface of the cuboid. If we remove two surface, that is bottom and top, then it will remaining surfaces are 4 sides, right. So, the lateral area formula, just remove the top and bottom, then it will reduce to the lateral area 2H into B plus L unit square. Volume is equal to, volume means which one we have find out the area for a 2D shape. For 3D it is converted to volume. So, volume means how much substance or how much substance we can contain inside. So, volume means L into B into H unit cube. Now, come to the cube part. Cube means if we make it equal all the sides for a cuboid, it is converted to cube. That means cube means all the sides of this figure are equal. So, without taking L, B, H, we will consider as a side S and convert to this formula to the cube surface area. So, cube surface area 6 into A square, as we know the only one surface area is A square. So, total 6 surfaces are there, multiply by 6 we are getting 6A square unit square. Come to the lateral area for cube, as we know from this surface area we have to remove the top and bottom surface. So, remaining surfaces are 4. That means the lateral area is equal to 4 into A square unit square. Next, volume. Volume means if we replace the L, B, H by S, then it gives you S cube unit cube. Next is our cylinder. Cylinder means the shape is like that. So, here our basic measurements are height of the cylinder, that is denoted by H unit, and the radius of the cylinder, that is denoted by the R unit. So, the surface area of a cylinder will be 2 pi r square plus 2 pi r h unit square. This 2 pi r square we are getting from the top and bottom surface of the cylinder, and 2 pi r h we are getting from the side surface. So, if we convert it to the lateral area, then the formula converted to 2 pi r h unit square only, because we have to take the formula without top and bottom, because we have to remove this 2 pi r square from the surface area, then it will convert it to lateral area. So, come to the volume now. So, the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h unit cube. Hope all of you understand the concept once again. Already we have done this chapter in our online class with different types of word problem. So, please practice the chapter properly. Take care and keep learning.